Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter determinants. In previous class we discussed the definition of the determinants, minors, cofactors and the properties of the determinant and some problems related to the properties of determinants. Today we are going to discuss some more problems related to the properties of the determinant and then how to find the values of the variables present in linear equation, that is how to solve the equation linear equations using determinant, that is called Cramer's rule. Okay, so first question is, if x not equal to y not equal to z and x y z x square y square z square 1 plus x cube 1 plus y cube 1 plus z cube is equal to 0, then show that 1 plus xyz is equal to 0. This is the question. Okay, now solution is x y z x square y square z square 1 plus x cube 1 plus y cube 1 plus z cube equal to 0. We know the property, if the determinants, if the any row or any column of a determinant consists two or more terms, sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as sum or difference of difference of two or more determinants. So its meaning is, यदि गोटे रो किंबा कलम रे दीटा टर्म एडिशन होगी अच्छी तबे आमे दीटा डिटरमिनेंट सेपरेट करी लिखि परिबा. दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, हियर कलम 3 दीटा टर्म्स प्लस होगी अच्छी तो आमे दीटा डिटरमिनेंट लिखि परिबा. सो फर्स्ट लिखिबा एक्स वाई जेड कलम 1 जहाँ अच्छी से लिखिबा. सेकेंड होची एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर एंड थर्ड होची थर्ड दीटा एलिमेंट अच्छी प्लस होगी तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट टर्मटा लिखिबा 1 1 1 प्लस आउ थ रिपीट करिबा एक्स फर्स्ट कलम देन सेकेंड कलम देन थर्ड कलम रो सेकेंड टर्म, दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर. ओके, देन दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. एठी कोन अछि, रो 1 रे x कॉमन बाहर, रो 2 रो y कॉमन, रो 3 रो z कॉमन. टेकिंग x y z common from row 1 row 2 and row 3 respectively of second determinant. So this is equal to, here that implies x y z x square y square z square 1 1 1 plus x common y common z common. x नहीं जाइछि एटा 1 हे जिवो, एटा x square अछि x हबो, x square अछि x हे जिवो. सो दिस इज x square हे जिवो 1 y square 1 z square is equal to 0. तो आमे गोटे देखो फर्स्ट डिटरमिनेंट रे 1 1 1 थर्ड कलम अच्छी, सेकेंड डिटरमिनेंट रे 1 1 1 फर्स्ट कलम अच्छी. आमे ए 1 1 जो फर्स्ट कलमटा थर्ड कलम को हेबा दरकार. तो फर्स्ट रे फर्स्ट आउ सेकेंड भितर इंटरचेंज करबा, तापर थर्ड आउ सेकेंड भितर इंटरचेंज करबा. नाउ for determinant 2, second determinant, this is for second determinant C1 changes to C2 and C1 changes to C2 and C2 changes to C1. This is symbol. So this is first determinant is x, that is y z x square y square z square 1 1 1. एडी जदि इंटरचेंज हो रो आ कलम भितर तो माइनस सिंबल गोटे आसो, तो माइनस एक्स वाई जेड and this is x y z 1 1 1 and x square y square z square is equal to 0. तो ये देखा कौन हो फास्ट डिटरमिनेंट रे थर्ड कलमटा 1 1 हो ये सेकेंड कलमटा 1 1 हो पुणी यहीटा आउ थे इंटरचेंज करियो पड़ो. तो अगेन फॉर सेकेंड डिटरमिनेंट C2 C3 इंटरचेंज करवा सी ता जगह ये तो x y z then x square y square z square 1 1 1 ये माइनस अच्छी आ गोटे माइनस आसो तो कौन हो प्लस हो x y z and this is x y z ए दुईटा भितर इंटरचेंज होती x square y square z square 1 1 1 this is equal to 0. तो यहाँ कॉमन रोची दुईटा कॉमन नहीं जो सो एक्स वाई जेड कॉमन एक्स वाई जेड ये डिटरमिनेंट कॉमन नहीं जो एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर 1 1 1 तो रहा ये टोटाल डिटरमिनेंट कॉमन है 1 रहिबो 1 प्लस एक्स वाई जेड इज इक्वल टू 0 दैट इम्प्लाइज 1 प्लस एक्स वाई जेड इज इक्वल टू 0. This is proved. Okay. So that 1 1 1 BC CA AB A into B plus C B into C plus A C into A plus B equal to 0. This is the question. So left hand side 1 1 1 BC CA AB A into B plus C B into C plus A C into A plus B ओके. तो यहाँ हम 1 1 1 BC CA AB भीतर मल्टीप्लाई कले कत होची AB प्लस AC ए भीतर मल्टीप्लाई कले BC प्लस AB ए भीतर मल्टीप्लाई कले SC प्लस व्हाट BC. एबे कौन करियो आमु 0 दरकार मान दुईटा रो कि दुईटा कलम भीतर 0 हबार अच्छे सामान हबार अच्छे एटा कौन अच्छे AB प्लस SC अच्छे BC प्लस AB अच्छे ये SC प्लस व्हाट इज BC. ओके. सो ए दुईटा ऐड कले कौन हम कहले मते C2 बदल C2 प्लस C3 कर दियो तो केते आसीबो ना एठी 1 1 रहला 1 1 1 रहला एडी AB प्लस BC प्लस केते SC ये मध्य AB प्लस BC प्लस SC ये मध्य AB प्लस BC प्लस SC ये अच्छी AB प्लस SC BC प्लस AB ये अच्छी SC प्लस BC एतिक अच्छी. तो देख टेक कॉमन AB प्लस BC प्लस SC फ्रॉम कॉलम टू बाहर करवा. तो AB प्लस BC प्लस SC ये रहा 1 1 1 ये रहा 1 1 1 ये रहा के AB प्लस SC BC प्लस AB SC प्लस BC रहा. हियर कॉलम 1 इज इक्वल टू कॉलम 2 दुईटा रो कि दुईटा कॉलम जब इक्वल अच्छी डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू 0 हो. सो AB प्लस BC प्लस SC यार वैल्यूटा के 0 हो. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 प्रूव्ड. ओके. नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन A square plus 1 AB SC AB B square plus 1 BC SC BC C square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus A square. Now left hand side A square plus 1 AB SC AB B square plus 1 BC SC BC C square plus 1 आम देखा सबू टर्म रे ए अच्छी ये A square plus 1 है ए कॉमन नहीं पारियोनी. तो रो 1 बदल लिखिपारि रो 1 इंटू ए बाई ए सेमती बी अच्छी एट बी अच्छी एट बी स्क्वायर प्लस वन इंटू बी कर रो 2 इज इक्वल टू रो 2 इंटू बी बाई बी एंड सिमिलरली रो 3 इज इक्वल टू रो 3 इंटू सी बाई सी सो 1 बाई ए बी सी रहीगला 1 बाई ए बी सी रहीगला ये बाहर तो ये लिखिपर ए इंटू ए स्क्वायर प्लस 1 दिस इज ए स्क्वायर बी एंड दिस इज ए स्क्वायर सी सेमती ये हम ए बी स्क्वायर बी इंटू बी स्क्वायर प्लस 1 एंड दिस इज बी स्क्वायर सी ये हम ए सी स्क्वायर ये हम बी सी स्क्वायर ये सी इंटू सी स्क्वायर प्लस 1 नाउ देख ये ए कॉमन बाहर कॉलम 1 रू टेकिंग कॉमन ए बी सी taking common a b c or take common a b c from column 1 column 2 and column 3 this is and c and column 3 so this is abc by abc determinant here a square plus 1 and this is b square and c square this is a square b square plus 1 this is c square and this is column 3 to c जाइए तो रहा a square ये रहा b square column this is b square here column 2 देछि केते b square this is b square and this is bracket a square b square right and this is b square now c जाइए to c square plus 1 तो एटा कैंसल हो गला एबे जदि इमेदी ऐड करबी 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square एटा ऐड करबी उतरे 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square एटा ऐड करी सेम आछना तो इमेदी अप डाउन एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन मींस रो ऑपरेशन रो 1 इज इक्वल टू रो 1 प्लस रो 2 प्लस रो 3 तो केता हम यहाँ कहले मते ना 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर आ बाकी रो सेम रहिबो बी स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बी स्क्वायर ये हला सी स्क्वायर ये हला सी स्क्वायर ये हला सी स्क्वायर प्लस 1 एबे कॉमन बाहर रो 1 रू 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर कॉमन बाहर ओके सो टेक कॉमन 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर फ्रॉम रो 2 टेक कॉमन 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square from row 1 so that implies what that is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into 1 1 1 and this is b square plus 1 b square and c square plus 1 एबे दुईटा एलिमेंट जीरो करियो पड़ो तो c1 बदल रे c1 माइनस c2 एंड c2 बदल रे c2 माइनस c3 हो जाओ तो 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर एटा हला 1 माइनस 1 केते 0 ए b स्क्वायर माइनस 1 दैट इज b स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर कैंसल माइनस 1 c स्क्वायर माइनस c स्क्वायर दिस इज 0 एंड 1 माइनस 1 0 एंड b स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस b स्क्वायर 1 हबो डे c स्क्वायर माइनस -1 सो माइनस 1 हबो 1 b स्क्वायर दिस इज c स्क्वायर प्लस 1 एबे एक्सपांड कर दियो एक्सपांड अलोंग रो 1 एक्सपांड अलोंग रो 1 सो 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर इंटू 0 इंटू एनी नंबर 0 हो जाइए तो 0 इंटू एन नंबर 0 माइनस 0 इंटू एनी नंबर 0 रहा 1 ए रो ए कलम लिखि दियो तो केते रोच इटी -1 1 0 माइनस 1 सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर एंड x 0 0 0 हो गला एटा सब 0 हला and -1 into -1 1, -0 into 1 1. So this is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. This is equal to RHS. Okay, these are the some problems based on the properties. Okay, now another question. Solve means find the value of unknown variable. X अच्छे unknown variable तो x value काढ़िया पड़ियो. देखिए x1 1 1x1 1 1x is equal to 0 देखिए x value बाहर करियो पड़ियो. Okay. Now solve means find the value of x unknown variable. Solve x1 1 1x1 1 1x is equal to 0. एटा x value बाहर करियो देखिए 0. गोटे इक्वेशन आसो देख मु लिखिपरि r1 इज इक्वल टू r1 प्लस r2 प्लस r3 लिखिले कौन हो देख ये ना हूँ x प्लस 2 x प्लस 2 x प्लस 2 1 x1 1 1x इज इक्वल टू 0. सो x प्लस टेक x प्लस 2 कॉमन, टेक x प्लस 2 common from row 1. So x plus 2 into 1 1 1 1 x1 1 1 x is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus 2 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to what? X is equal to -2 and or 1 1 1 1 x1 1 1 x is equal to 0. Now C1 is equal to C1 minus C2. C1 is equal to C1 minus C2. C2 is equal to C2 minus C3. So 0 1 minus x 0 0 x minus 1 1 minus x 1 1 1 is equal to 0. So expand कर दिया थ्रो column expand along row 1. 0 into n number 0 है minus 0 into n number 0 है 0 into any number 0 होची minus 0 into n number 0 होची तो रहिला 1 into a रो a column नहीं जाओ तो कहता ला 1 minus x whole square, that is 1 minus x x minus 1 0 1 minus x is equal to 0. So एटा मल्टीप्लाई हो 1 minus x whole square is equal 0 into x minus 1. So 0, that implies 1 minus x is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to 0. So x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 0 are two solution of the equation. Now we will discuss solution of linear equation using Cramer's rule. So what is Cramer's rule? What is Cramer's rule? Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. It is the method to solve. It is the method to solve linear equations using determinant. Okay, it is the method to solve linear equations using determinants. Now what is the process of Cramer's rule? Solution of linear equation by using Cramer's rule. The process of Cramer's rule. Solution of linear equation by Cramer's rule. So this is for two variables. So this one is for two variables. Solution of two linear equations. linear equations. Okay. To solve, suppose to solve a1x plus b1y is equal to k1, a2x plus b2y is equal to k2. Okay. Now first d delta or d or first d or delta, we can write d or delta is equal to what, but we have to write single one, either you write delta or you write d. Suppose we write d means determinant, so this is d, capital D is equal to what, the coefficient of x, a1 a2 b1 b2, and find its value. This should not be 0, and find its value. This should not be 0. Delta 1 means what, column 1 remove and right side constant entry. So k1 k2 by b1 b2, find its value. d2 is equal to d2, or this is, or you can write delta, or delta 1 delta x, or you can write. Okay, so this is delta 1, or this is delta 2 or d2, delta 2 or d2, delta 2 or d2, or d2 is equal to, means d2 means what, second column out, and right hand side constant entry. So this is a1 a2, this is what, k1 k2, find its value, okay. Then this is the you can write d or delta, but you have to write single one, either d or delta, d1 or dx, d2 or dy. Okay, so now x is equal to what, now x, therefore x is equal to d1 by d, y is equal to d2 by d. Similarly for third variables, three equations, three variables to solve a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Equation 2. a3x plus b3y plus c3. This is z and c3z. This is equal to k1, this is equal to k2, this is equal to k3. K means any real number. Okay, so d1 is equal to what, x coefficient, a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. Find its value, and it should not be 0. If delta not equal to 0, then only Cramer's rule apply. If delta equal to 0, Cramer's rule cannot be applied. This is d, this is d not equal to 0. Now d1 is equal to what, d1 means column 1 out, right side constant in entry. So k1 k2 k3 and b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. Similarly d2 means first column third column remains same, first column a1 a2 a3, and third column remains same. Third column what, c1 c2 c3 remains same, and the column 2 out, right side constant entry. So k1 k2 k3. Okay, now delta 3 is equal to what, or d3 is equal to what, d3 is equal to, now d3 is equal to what, d3, right here d3 is equal to column 1 column 2 same, column 1 column 2 same, column 3 change. So a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 K1, K2, K3, column 3 same. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to d1 by d, y is equal to d2 by d, z is equal to d3 by d. This is the solution. And some notes regarding to the solution of linear equation. Some notes regarding to the solution of linear equation. If note 1, if notes that is for two equations, two linear equations. For two linear equations, note 1, if delta or d not equal to 0, then Cramer's rule applied, then Cramer's rule can be applied, and the solution is unique solution, and the solution is unique meaning single solution, that is x रो गोटे वैल्यू सिंगल वैल्यू, y रो मध्य गोटे वैल्यू, z रो मध्य गोटे वैल्यू, जो तीनटा वेरिएबल थी दुईटा वेरिएबल x रो गोटे वैल्यू सिंगल हाँ एंड y रो मध्य गोटे वैल्यू आसो सेम हम नहीं हो पार न हो पारे. नंबर 2, if delta is equal to 0 and delta or d equal to 0, delta means d, you can write delta or d, and at least one of d1 d2 are non-zero, then solution does not exist. Solution does not exist means what? Inconsistent. Solution exists means what? This is solution is unique. Solution exists. This is consistent. Solution exists means consistent. Inconsistent means what? Solution doesn't exist. Okay. Now 3, if d is equal to 0 and d1 is equal to d2 equal to all are 0, then there are infinitely many there are many solutions, many solutions. Okay, for 3 variables, this is for 2 variables. Suppose for 3 variables, let's see, for 3 variables, this is for 2 variables and 2 equations. Now for 3 variables, same, this number 1 notes remain same, number 2 remains, that is d1 and d3 for 3 variables. This is for 3 variables, 3 equations, d3 and d1, and this is equal to d3 for 3 variables. 2 variables जदि देछि d1 d2 रहइबो, 3 variables रे d1 d2 d3 रहइबो. Okay, these are the some facts or some result of the linear equations. Now some problems. Solve the following equation by using Cramer's rule. Solve the following equation by using Cramer's rule. Solve using Cramer's rule. Okay. So x plus y is equal to 2x minus y is equal to 1. Suppose solve by Cramer's rule. Solution, that is, you have to write the given equation x plus y is equal to 2x minus y is equal to 1. D is equal to what? X coefficient 1, 2, 1 minus 1. This is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is minus 3. Now delta 1 is d1 is equal to 1. First column remove, right side entry. The 2 1 1 minus 1, this is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. D2 is equal to what? D2 is equal to second column remove, this remove, second column remove and right side entry. So 1 2, right side is what? 2 1 2 1, this is equal to 1 1 minus what? 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Now x is equal to what? Now x is equal to delta 1 by d1 by d or delta 1 by d. Delta लिखले हम d लिखले हम. So d1 is equal to what? D1 is equal to minus 3 by minus 3. D is equal to, so answer is 1. And y is equal to d2 by d. So d2 equal to what? Minus 3. D is equal to what? Minus 3. So minus 3 by minus 3, this is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, y equal to 1 is the solution using Cramer's rule. Okay. So now another question, solve using Cramer's rule. Suppose you are given the equation of like this. This is equal to, solve the equation. Then question number 2. Question number 2, solve the equation. 1 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 3. 2 by x minus 1 by y is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is another question. Let 1 by x is equal to u, and first write the equation. Solution answer is 1 by x plus 2 by y. 1 by x plus 2 by y. 1 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 3. 2 by x minus 1 by y is equal to minus 1. Let 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. So the above equation will be, that is 2 by x, that is 1 by x is equal to u plus 2v is equal to 3. 2u minus v is equal to minus 1. Now delta is equal to what? Now d is equal to what is that is y u coefficient 1 2 2 minus 1 2 minus 1. Its value is what? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, not equal to 0. Cramer's rule applied. Now d1 is equal to what? D1 is equal to remove the first column and enter the right side. This is right side element 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1. This is equal to minus 3 plus 2. This is equal to minus 1. Now D2 is equal to what? D2 is equal to, remove the second column and entry. The right hand side constant. So this is equal to what? This is 1 2 and 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. So minus 1, and this is minus 6, and this is minus 6. Minus 1 and this is minus 6. Minus 1 minus 6, so minus 7. Now u equal to what? U equal to delta 1 by delta or d1 by d. D1 is equal to what? D1 is equal to minus 1. D is equal to what? D is equal to minus 5. So minus 1 by minus 5, that is 1 by 5. Okay, so D equal to 1 by u, that is u equal to 1 by 5 implies u means what? U means 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 5. That implies x is equal to 5. This is one answer. Now v is equal to d2 by d. D2 by d. What is d2? Minus 7 by, and what is d? D is where this is minus 5. Minus 5. So this is equal to 7 by 5. V equal to, v means what? 1 by y is equal to 7 by 5. That is y equal to what? 5 by 7. This is the answer. Now we can solve Cramer's rule. You can solve linear equations using Cramer's rule. Okay, for 3 equations. Let us see for 3 equations. Now this is solution of linear equation of 3 equations, 3 variables, and this is the question you have to write from this part. Now delta d is equal to what? X coefficient 1, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 1, 1, and 3, 4, minus 2. Find its value. Find its value. So this is 1 into what? Cancel this. Minus 1, 4, 1, minus 2. Minus of minus 2 into. Cancel this. Cancel this. 3, 4, 2, minus 2. 3, 4, 2, minus 2. And plus 3 into. Cancel this. 3 minus 1, 2, 1. 3 minus 1, 2, 1. Now find its value. This is equal to what? 1, 2 minus 4, and plus 2 here, minus of minus plus 2 here, minus 6, minus 8, plus 3 into what? This is 3 into 1, 3 plus 2. So this is equal to minus 2, and this is equal to what? Minus 14 into 2, minus 28, and this is equal to 5 plus 3, 15. So minus 30 plus 15, this is equal to minus 15, not equal to 0. So Cramer's rule applied. Okay, so Cramer's rule can be applied. Now d1 is equal to what? Remove first column and entry right side. This is equal to what? 1, 3, minus 1, and minus 2, minus 1, 1, 3, 4, minus 2. Expand this. Suppose this is equal to what? 1 into, I can do directly, 1 into 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. Then minus of minus 2, and cover this. Minus 6 plus minus of minus 4 plus 4. Minus 6, cover this. Minus 6 plus 4, and plus 3 into cover this. Minus 3 minus 1, sorry, 3 minus 1. 3 into 1, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So this is equal to what? Minus 2, and this is plus 2, and this is what? Minus 2, and this is 3 into 2. So this is equal to minus 2, minus 4, plus 6. So plus 6. This is equal to 0. Delta 1 equal to 0. d1 equal. Now d2 equal to, remove second column and entry the right hand side element. 1, 3, 2, then 1, 3 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, then 3, 4 minus 2, 3, 4 minus 2. Again expand this, and again expand this. 1 into minus 6 plus 4, minus 6 plus 4, and minus 1 into, and minus 1 into cover this. Minus 6 minus 8, minus 6 minus 8, plus 3 into cover this. Minus 3 minus 6, minus 3 minus 6, minus 3 minus 6. So calculate this. This is equal to minus 2, and this is minus 14 minus 1, that is plus 14, and this is what? Minus 18, minus 9 into 3, minus 27. Okay, so minus what? 29. Minus 29 plus 14, that is minus 15. Now d3 is equal to Now remove third column and enter right hand side element. 1 3 2 minus 2 minus 1 1, and right side element is what? Right side element is what? 1 3 minus 1, 1 3 minus 1. Expand this. This is equal to also what? 1 into cover this, and this is equal to minus 1 here, hala. So 1 into 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus of minus 2 into what? Minus of minus 2. This is equal to 3 minus 3 minus 6, minus 3 minus 6 plus 1 into plus 1 is to what? This is equal to 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2. So this is equal to minus 2, and this is plus 2, and this is minus 9, minus 18. Okay, this is minus plus, and this is minus 18, and this is 5, and this is 5. So minus what? 17, minus 20 plus 5. This is equal to minus 15. Now x is equal to d1 by d. What is d1? d1 is equal to 0 by d. What is d? 0 by what is d? Determined. D is equal to minus 15. So 0 by n number 0. So y is equal to what? Y equal to d2 by d. d2 by d. What is d2? Minus 15 by d, minus 15, that is 1. Z is equal to what? d3 by d, that is equal to d3 minus 15 divided by d minus 15, so 1. So the solution is x is equal to 0, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. This is the solution of the linear equations. So thank you, have a nice day.